Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today's presentation on how a business analyst can use Power BI to tell meaningful business stories. Today's session is designed to go beyond dashboards and reports. We will focus on how data can be transformed into insights that support real business decisions. Throughout the presentation, we will walk through a retail focused case study where a company experienced rising sales but declining profitability. We will see how Power BI helped uncover root causes, identify opportunities, and supported better strategic decisions. By the end of this session, you should understand not just the technical use of Power BI, but also the importance of storytelling, business context, and stakeholder communication in analytics projects. So let's dive in. In this session, we will focus on four main objectives. First, we will understand the role of storytelling in analytics because data alone does not drive decisions. Insights become powerful when they are communicated clearly and connected to business goals. Second, we will examine how a BA use Power BI effectively. Their role includes gathering requirements, identifying KPIs, and presenting insights in a way that the executives can understand. Third, we will explore a retail business case study to understand how dashboards solve real operational problems. And finally, we will review dashboard design and storytelling best practices that improve user engagement and executive adoption. The organization in this case study faced a common business problem. Although overall sales were increasing, profitability was declining. The leadership teams noticed that the revenue reports looked positive, but the company's margin continued to shrink. Another challenge was data fragmentation. Information existed across multiple systems, including CRM platforms, ERP reports, spreadsheets, and operational databases. Because the data was disconnected, the leaders lacked visibility into the true causes of declining profits. And decision making became reactive instead of proactive. Now, this situation created an opportunity for the business analyst to centralize reporting and create a unified view of business performance using Power BI. The business analyst played a critical role in this project. The responsibility was not simply to build dashboards. Instead, the BA acted as a bridge between business stakeholders and technical teams. The BA gathered business requirements from executives, finance teams, sales managers, as well as the operations teams. Next, the BA identified the most important KPIs that aligned with organizational goals. Also, it followed by translating the raw data into meaningful business insights by focusing on trends, patterns, and performance gaps. Most importantly, the BA ensured that the dashboard supported strategic decision making rather than just displaying numbers. Now, a successful dashboard begins with the right business questions. So instead of building random visualizations, the business analyst created a clear narrative focused on profitability and operational performance. The team asked important questions such as why are the profits declining? Which products generate low margins? Which regions are underperforming? And how does the customer retention impact revenue? These questions helped structure the dashboards and guided the analytical process. This step is essential because dashboard should always answer business questions and not just display the data. Now, if you want to build a reliable reporting solution, you have to have an a single source of truth. So for that, the business analyst integrated multiple data sources into Power BI, which included sales databases, inventory spreadsheets, CRM systems, and ERP reports. So combining these sources created a single source of truth for the organization. As a result of that, the reporting became more accurate, more consistent, and automated. So instead of manually compiling spreadsheets each week, the leadership teams gain access to the real-time insights through centralized dashboards. The dashboard design played a major role in this project. The dashboards that were created were intentionally structured to guide the executives through the business story step by step. The executive KPI dashboard provided a high-level overview of revenue, profit, and operational performance. The product profitability dashboard identified which products were profitable and which were reducing margins. The regional operations dashboard highlighted the differences between the inventory cost and operational efficiency across locations. And finally, the customer retention dashboard showed how the customer loyalty and repeated purchases influence long-term revenue. So in this one, different visualizations were selected based on the type of insight required. KPI cards were used to display high-level metrics such as sales, profits, and growth percentages. Trend charts showed performance over time and helped identify seasonal patterns. Maps highlighted regional differences and operational performance by location. Heat maps revealed patterns in sales and inventory activity. Waterfall charts explained changes in profitability and showed the factors contributing to increase or declines. And finally, the drill down reports allowed user to move from summary level insights into detailed operations data. This analysis uncovered several important business insights. First, some products generated strong sales, but they had low profit margins because of excessive discounts and high logistics costs. Second, certain regions experienced higher inventory holding costs and poor inventory turnover. Third, stores with stronger customer loyalty and retention consistently achieved higher profitability. These findings helped leadership understand that revenue alone was not the best indicator of the business success. Instead, the profitability, operational efficiency, and customer retention needed to be analyzed together as a whole. So let's talk about the business impact. These Power BI solution delivered measurable business value. The organization reduced inventory cost by 15% just by identifying inefficient stock management practices. Profit margins improved by 8% after leadership optimized pricing strategies and reduced operational inefficiencies. Reporting became real time instead of relying on delayed manual reports. Executives also began using dashboards regularly in strategic review meetings, which improved data-driven decision making across the departments. Now, this demonstrates how the analytics projects can create both operational and strategic impact. And now let's talk about the best practices for the BAs. So there are several important best practices business analysts should follow when designing dashboards. First is always begin with business questions instead of jumping directly into visuals. Second is focus on actionable KPIs that support decision making. Third, keep dashboards simple and avoid clutter. Too many visuals can sometimes overwhelm the users. Fourth, use storytelling techniques to guide the users through insights logically. Finally, always provide business context because numbers without explanation rarely lead to any actions. These practices improve dashboard adoption and make analytics more valuable to the organizations. Now, to conclude, Power BI is much more than a reporting tool. So, when combined with business analysis and storytelling techniques, it becomes a powerful platform for strategic decision making. And the business analysts, they play a key role in translating raw data into business value by identifying trends, asking right questions, and presenting insights clearly. Story driven dashboards help organizations make smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. If this tutorial helped clarify storytelling with Power BI, please consider sharing it with other BAs who may also be interested in creative storytelling. Thanks.